Do you want to learn other languages in the Philippines other than Tagalog and Cebuano? In this video, I'm going to introduce to you Waray-waray language. Hello everyone, my name is Alexis and welcome to the Learner's Guide. There are 8 major languages in the Philippines and Waray-waray or Waray is the 5th most spoken regional language. It is widely used in the islands of Samar, Leyte, and Biliran, located in Region 8 or the Eastern Visayas part of the country. There are varieties or dialect of Waray-waray language. Catbalogan dialect is called the original dialect. People from the central part of Samar Island speaks pure Waray. In northern Samar, their dialect is a mixture of northern Samareño and southern Sorsoganon, while in Calbayog, it is a mixture of northern Samar dialect and Tacloban dialect. Tacloban dialect is considered the standard dialect, which is used in television and radio broadcasts. The dialect in some parts of Leyte and Biliran has a heavy Cebuano influence like in Abuyog Leyte and Culaba Biliran. So in this video, I'm going to use the standard Waray-waray or Tacloban dialect. But before we start, let us know what Waray-waray means. Waray-waray or Waray simply means no, not, none, or nothing. So basically, the word Waray is used to reply in the negative. Now let us see the sample sentences to know how or when to use the word Waray. Let's start. Nakakita-kahan na akong libro? Waray. In English, have you seen my book? No. May lapis ka? Waray. In English, do you have a pencil? None. Ano ang imo siring? Or you can also say, ano ang imo yakan? Waray. In English, what did you say? Nothing. Kumaon ka na? Waray pa. In English, have you eaten? Or did you eat? Not yet. So those are the examples on how or when to use the word waray. Now let's continue with the greetings. Maupay nga aga. In English, good morning. Maupay means good. Aga means morning. Maupay nga udto. In English, good noon. Udto means noon. Maupay nga kulop. In English, good afternoon. Kulop means afternoon. Maupay nga gabi. In English, good evening or good night. Gabi means evening or night. Maupay nga adlaw. In English, good day. Adlaw means day. Malipayon nga pag-abot. In English, it simply means welcome. Do you want to learn more about Waray-waray language? Kindly leave your comment down below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to get notified for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!